Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a watercolor grid uh, project. This is a watercolor book and I used masking tape and made all those grids. Then I'm going to use this watercolor paint. I'm going to spray some water and activate it. Then I'm going to use this watercolor, and I'm going to um, use the first color. I'm going to use multiple colors in this, and then I'm going to use some stencils, then some mark making. So first I'm going to use this color, which is kind of like a bluish green. This is just a fun project. um, you can do so many things in this style. You can use a mixed media in this, and you can use pens and stencils and stamps and all kinds of things. And I'm using the next color. You just have to make sure that the masking tape is nicely sealed, otherwise it'll bleed from the bottom. I will only know it when I take it out if it's bleeded or not. And I'm using this. I've seen many people trying using this embossing folder and then using that as a stamp. So I'm trying that. Those textures, some of them are very nice, so I'm using that on the top of the wet paint, so it gives some texture. So I'm just using just basic colors in this. Then I'm going to make sure everything is dry um, before I start with the next step. Then I'm adding some other color in this. You can leave some whites here and there, so you don't have to cover it up. Now again I'm going to dry it. Then now I'm going to use the stencil and some fabric paint. It's like acrylic paint. Then I'm blending these two colors. The For this kind of project, I think because it's a small book, if you have a small stencils, it will be nice. But you can still use the bigger size of stencil. But I would say the small stencil that we have so many times in our stash and we won't use it, those are nice for these kind of projects. Or even stamps also, we can use it in this. I'm using a different stencil. These are like a mini Tim Holtz stencil. These are just fun to do it. So just have fun and enjoy the process. You can use different types of stencils and get different textures. You can even use molding paste in this, that gives a different texture. Now I'm using the third stencil, and all of these are from mini Tim Holtz collection. Now I'm using kind of like a black acrylic paint. You can make this kind of a project into a bigger one, like a big sheet of watercolor paper, and you can use the uh, masking tape and make it into a many grids, and then do this project, and then you can cut it and use it as card making, or you can use it even in the um, parts of it in the different projects. So now I'm going to um, use gold paint now. This is again another um, acrylic paint, and then I'm using another mini stencil, and I'm going to use this gold paint and dab it on that. This is like a different texture. So now after drying, I'm going to use now a white pen, and then I'm going to do some doodling. If you feel like it is little bit slow, you can speed it. So I'm putting it as close up, and then I'm going to do the doodling. So now I'm going to dry it, and then I'm going to take out slowly the masking tape. I want to make sure that it is not bleeded, but you never know. So some of the places it did, still not bad. So now that it looks good, right? The gold color shines very nicely. So this is one of the fun project. I hope you enjoyed watching it and got inspired. So if you like it, please don't forget to subscribe, click on the like button and leave your comments below. I will see you in my next project. Thanks for watching. Bye.